Hello and welcome friends. So in previous video we have seen that how to get login user and information about them. So we'll have here like Arvind Prajapati and his email ID, and we'll have this logout button. And what we are gonna do here now, so we are gonna do like to fetch all the product details which are saved in the backend. So let me show you my database. So in database we have the product, and as you can see we have multiple product here, and in that this product we will going to fetch on the front end. So let me show you the code part. So what we need to do, we need to create one a model file. In that we have to call all the function, and here we need to pass our table name product. So my product is the table name in the CRUD session database, and so we need to pass it here, and we need to say like $this then db then get product result in array. Okay, and it will return me the data in the array of the products. So we need to call this function from the user. So whenever the user gets login, I need to call this function from the while load my model, and then call the function, and then store that data in the products like this array. Okay, so we need to now after the successful login, it will route to me on the account page. So we need to go in the account page, and we need to create, like we need to iterate it one by one. So what we are gonna do here, so like first is my heading part, product details, and as this one I have created for the create URL link. So we will create after this video like how to create and how to delete and how to update the product details. So let me show you the first how to iterate it one by one. So yeah, so in this one we are gonna print whatever the response is coming from my server. So we are going to save that response in the user data, and like in the session, and we are calling it we will check that if it is not null, then we will print it on the basis of that it is success or it is the failure. So as you can see, this is the class of the bootstrap we have used here, success. The both are in the success only. And then here we need to create a table, and in table header we need to pass all the column, and we need to say if it is not empty, then iterate it one by one, and just print it here ntd. And for edit functionality, we are going to pass this product code with the same of the URL, and here also for delete also. And if nothing is found, if it is empty, then we just gonna print that number no records found here. So this much only in this video. So let me run it once again for you. So what whenever if my this one login is successful, then we will see the data. If it is not successful, then we will get some error as the email and password. Please try again. So let me log in with the correct user, and as it will log in, it will check it will check all the details of the user. It will give me on the header, and here we will get the product details of the below in the table format. So whatever we have here the product, and that only we are showing there. Okay, so in next video we will see how to delete, how to create, and how to update the product details. Thank you so much.